Functionize is redefining the landscape of software quality assurance, and in this deep dive review we're going to explore exactly how, as engineering teams face mounting pressure to accelerate releases, the traditional approach to test automation is buckling under the weight of its own maintenance. The most significant advantage is the potential for massive efficiency gains. The combination of rapid test creation, self-healing agents, and parallel execution can compress testing cycles from hours or days into minutes, as evidenced by GE Healthcare's testimonial of reducing 40 hours of testing to just 4 point. This speed allows for much faster release cycles. The high accuracy of element recognition is another huge pro, as it directly combats the problem of flaky tests, building trust in the automation suite. The platform's cloud-first AI-native design also means there's no heavy infrastructure to manage. It scales on demand. In conclusion, Functionize presents a compelling vision for the future of test automation. Its agentic AI-driven approach directly tackles the most painful parts of testing, creation time and maintenance overhead. For large enterprises with complex applications and a need for speed, the efficiency gains and scalability it offers are incredibly attractive. The endorsements from major companies like McAfee and GE Healthcare lend credibility to its claims. However, the decision to adopt Functionize requires careful consideration. It's a significant investment both financially and in terms of team learning and process adaptation.